Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion. Disarmed, sensor offline. Nothing to see here. Move along. Like recruits. I've got this. Intrusion alarm, level 2. All units alerted. My turn. Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing.
Taskmaster. What do you want?
HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet.
It's in the jet. Let's go.
Incoming call from Mr. Stark.
Friday, don't put him through.
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help. I could do this all day. Got it. Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94.
Yes, Ms. Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
Looking for this? You know how this ends.